So I've got this billet of 15N20 and 1084 that's left over from a previous project. What I'm going to do today is draw this out into a long square, cut it in half, twist one to the left and one to the right, forge them back together, and build a special project for a customer. He wants a boot style knife. This should be a fun one. So let's get right into it. Well, we got her forged out, and as you can see, it's going to be a boot knife. I went ahead and done the profiling, cleaned it up a little bit, and I'm about ready to start laying out some holes. The customer has given me creative freedom, so I get to do what I want to on the handle and bolster area, which is my favorite kind of customer. So I haven't decided yet on what I'm going to do here with the bolster and handle. But I'm going to go ahead and put some holes in there, so when I do decide, they'll be there. So once I get the holes in this thing, we'll go ahead and heat treat it. I'm gonna do all the grinding after heat treating. It's gonna be a double edge, of course, 4 bevels, probably hollow ground. So let's get some holes in this thing. Our blade came out of heat treat looking good. I went ahead and cleaned it up to 600 grit on the ricasso. I'll have to do some more of that once I etch logos and finish up the grind. So right now I've laid out some center marks. I've got 2 marks on each side of the blade, center of our blade. I'm going to grind it with a 6-inch wheel. I normally do this with a 4-inch wheel, but the customer wants us to be a little stronger. So I'm going to do it with 6-inch hollow grind. It'll be plenty strong and it'll still look nice. So let's get to grinding. Okay, we've got our logo etched and I've got some handle material prepared to put on the blade. One thing about a Damascus full tang knife is you have to finish your handles before you put them on the blade, because you got to etch this blade. If you try to finish them afterwards, you'll mess up your etch. Now I'll be able to touch this up afterwards because this material will not stain due to the acid, but I want to have it as close as possible. I've got 2 hidden pins that'll be under this bolster area. That'll help me keep it lined up, and I'm going to temporarily pin it, and I'll finish the top and bottom sides of the tang all the way around, completely finish, put it together after I etch it, and then finish the sides out. Well, we got her all finished sanded, finished up. Turned out pretty good. That etch turned out really well. Got it waxed. Showed it to the customer. Really likes it. That means a lot. I hope you've enjoyed this project. I know it's been a fun one for me. I want to thank my patrons. And if you'd like to support the channel, there's a link to my Patreon down below. I'll leave a few shots at the end of the video. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we're going to see you on the next one.